Hello, good morning, good afternoon. This is Altaf Remani, and this is a quick review of Perplexity.ai. So Perplexity.ai is one of the tools that you use that has large language models, which can help us answer interesting questions. This is very similar to ChatGPT or Bard or any of the tools that you've used before. So this is the Perplexity.ai website. As you can see, I'm at the home page. And I can start with a quick question. Let's start with what is the origin of Earth? And then the interesting part is there's this focus areas where you can focus on a specific, you can either search across the web or you can go academic, writing, Reddit, YouTube, Wolfram Alpha. Let's stick to all and then let's go with what is the origin of Earth. There you can see. The good thing about this is it will also give you the references of the sources, so you can view sources and it will tell you where it's exactly picked up the context before responding to you. Then you can do rewrites. You can probably share this answer. The interesting part is it also gives you related questions which you can think of. So what is the theory of formation of the solar system? How did the Earth atmosphere form? What is the role of asteroids? And here on the right hand side it shows you some images as well. And it lets you search videos on this particular topic. Really useful for research, really useful if you're trying to learn something. And then it also gives you an option to generate the image and it takes you to the pro program. So what we are seeing is right now the free version of Perplexity, but if you go $20 a month, then you get unlimited queries, you get to select your models, you can upload files and do research and analysis. You can use API credits and you can also analyze images. All right, so that was the first example. Let's try something more fun and let's go back to home. And let me now try a 4-line rhyming poem on artificial intelligence. And as you can see, circuits and code, it dreams at night, a word of logic, devoid of fright, silicon brains, intelligent gleams, crafting futures beyond our dreams. So not a bad one. Next, we'll see how it can analyze documents. So here out of the box, you can attach documents. Note the free version of GPT does not have this. You need access to GPT-4. Claude has this and Perplexity also allows you to. So I'll take a book, which is a storybook. It's a very simple storybook, and let's see how it can analyze this book. Please show me please outline characters in this book and tell me about the overall storyline. Takes and goes chapters, offering insights, pulling up your introspective, while Julian is depicted. So it does a decent job of analyzing the document and coming back with some response to the question. What is the title? What is the genre? What is the setting? I can ask follow-up questions. All right. Next, let's turn our attention to the second focus area. Go back to home. Yeah. Now I can focus on Wolfram Alpha. So this is computational knowledge engine, where you can ask it things like solving equations. So let's try this. It's trying to solve an equation. It actually explains how to solve the equation. So really great for learning math or word problems. Again, this is powered by Wolfram Alpha, which is a computational engine which can do mathematical and other kinds of problems. And then you got these follow-up questions. You even got an image explaining the equation and how it's solved. and then you can search related videos. And this is what I found very interesting. It's like a new search engine, which is really, really powerful when it comes to learning and discovering new things. Okay, let's go back home. You can also focus on writing. So this is like any other writing. Write an article on gender bias in HBR style. And as you can see, it's very good at writing these articles, or writing any blog kind of articles. There is this feature called Copilot, and Copilot will ask clarifying questions if required to your prompt, so that you get more specific answers. It's written a nice long article on gender bias in artificial intelligence. Okay, then you can also focus on, let's say, YouTube. So you can say, give me top videos on meditation, and then it'll just go to YouTube and it'll just search the top videos on meditation. It will show you those videos on the right hand side, and you can watch those videos. So really useful information. And then you have got these related questions which lead to good discovery. What are some of the most common meditation techniques? And then it will again go to YouTube and search the answers. So really powerful search engine, Perplexity. One of the features is you can add these prompts to a collection, and then you can create your own series of collections. So let's say you add a collection, let's say meditation, create the collection, and then you can add this to the meditation collection, and you can say YouTube, and then you can just create a collection of all the meditation related questions and queries in this particular collection. So really, really powerful when it comes to learning, etc. Okay, last but not the least, you can also focus on areas like Reddit, writing, academic, all. Copilot will prompt you questions when things are not clear so that you get specific answers. And the Pro version gives you access to more features, including API. There's this interesting feature called Playground. So when you click on Playground, it takes you to this Perplexity Labs Playground, where you can select one of the models. So it's got Mistral 7B, it's got Code Llama, it's got Mistral 8 into 7B Instruct, where you can really play around with, give me the history of artificial intelligence, and you get to play around with these models. And it's got its own API, so you can, if you pay a $20 fee, you can even use the Perplexity API, where you can select the models, etc. So I hope this was a useful presentation on Perplexity. Hope you'll try it out and use it in your learning journey. Thank you.